Good morning, students. Now we discuss about what is common in acids and base. So to understand it, we perform an activity. We take a beaker, two iron nails and form a circuit with a battery, bulb and key. One by one we change the liquid. First we take glucose here. When we take glucose, we see that the bulb will not glow. After that we take alcohol and switch on, the bulb will not glow. Third time we take an acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, and we see that bulb will glow. Similarly, when we take a base, sodium hydroxide, switch on, and we see that the bulb will start glowing. So from this activity we observe that when we put acid solution and base solution, in both the cases the bulb start glowing, means, and we know that electricity is conducted due to the presence of ions. It means acids and base both are producing ion, due to which the electricity flow and bulb start glowing. So acid produces H positive ion and base produces OH negative ion, and due to formation of ions the electrons flow and electricity flowing in the circuit. Now what happened to an acid or base in a water solution? When we add water, in acids and base, hydrogen ions are produced only in the presence of water. The separation of H positive ion cannot occur in absence of water. It means any acid can show its acidic character only in the presence of ionic form when it is dissolved in water. When acid reacts with water, it forms hydrogen ion and chlorine. Similarly, when a base reacts with water, dissolved in water, it forms positive ion or hydroxyl ion, OH negative. So acids and base produces ions when they are dissolved in water. Now the neutralization reaction you know very well. When an acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. As they neutralize their effect, salt formation takes place. It is called neutralization reaction. What is involved when water is mixed with an acid or a base? As acids and base are highly concentrated, so when we add water in it, an exothermic reaction takes place. Exothermic means when we add water in an acid, highly amount of energy or highly amount of heat is evolved, or when heat is evolved we say it exothermic reaction. Mixing results in decrease in the concentration of the ions hydronium or H positive ion or OH negative ion of base per unit volume. And when we mix water in a concentrated acid or a base, it means it is decreasing the presence of H positive ion or OH negative ion, or we can say that the solution is diluted. This is called dilution, means we are decreasing the concentration of H positive ion or OH negative ion.